Okay, let's have a look at some more bounds questions. Now, this is a very typical one of travel. They sometimes use speed and distance, but here we've got petrol consumption. So it's the number of miles divided by the litres of petrol used. So let's have a look at the question. Now, 238 miles is the distance travelled. Correct to the nearest mile. All right, so the next one up will be 239, and the next one down will be 237. Once again, here are the goalposts. Now the petrol she used. So Sophie used 26.3 litres of petrol, correct to the nearest tenth of a metre. Well, that is that figure there. So the next figure up, also correct to the nearest tenth of a litre, rather, is 26.4. And the next one down, 26.2. Once again, goalposts. Now the question asks us for the upper bound for the petrol consumption. So we need this guy here, the petrol consumption, to be the highest, which means the numerator must be the highest, but the denominator must be the lowest possible value. So here we need the lower bound, and this the upper bound. Okay, let's put some values on it. So we're saying that the upper bound of the petrol consumption, PC, is equal to the number of miles travelled, but we need the upper bound of that. So the number of miles travelled is this number here, which is 238.5, divided by the lower bound of the number of litres used, which is 26.25. So if you pop that into a calculator, you get, which they want it to correct to 2 decimal places. So our cut is here, and our answer becomes 571 is above the 500 limit. So this becomes 9.09, and this is to 2dp. And that's your answer.